In my opinion, just buy KX 250. Reason being, the motors are the same, whereas the KDX 220 and 200, they're less horsepower, more reliable. Man, I don't know. If I was trail riding and I had a good deal on a KDX 220, I would just snag that KDX 220. I've done the KX 250 to trail conversion. Right here it is. I wish I had it out to give you guys a better view of it, but I mean, I've done it all in this thing, guys. The seat concept seat, the full FMF, the flywheel weight, the recluse, the oversized tank, the skid plate, the bibs, I mean, bark busters. I mean, you name it, I've done it to this thing. And yes, you can make it a pretty good single track and trail bike after you've done all this, but the KDX is a pretty good single track and trail bike in its stock form, right off the floor, you know, right out wherever the barn you find it in. It's going to be good. The only thing that sketches me out about these Cowies, man, there's a lot of parts. You can't get them anymore. I had a Mason busted his cases the other day, and he can't get cases for his 06 anymore. It's like starting to get sketchy to own these and actually ride them.